check out this website, guys. Got video. Look at these. You got models here. Oh, look at these awesome looking models. Look at this, smiling and fresh. Look at these guys down here. They got a hat on, got an MMA guy. Oh, he's bow, bow, bow. You know, you have Instagram here. I mean, this just looks amazing. Look at this guy. He's chilling. Then we have the little couple here. Oh, I'm going to show you how you can do this.
All right, guys, you see those images, right? You see how nice and professional that looks? I'm going to show you how you can do stuff like that right from home. Let's get it.
T-shirt Help Desk.
What's up, guys? Gary Ejene, t-shirthelpdesk.com, the place where we cover all things t-shirt related. Make sure you go down and click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you're watching on places like Facebook or Instagram, follow us so you'll be notified of all this great information we have on the t-shirt industry. So if you're watching this video, chances are you are trying to take your t-shirt line to a whole nother level. All right. I know a lot of you guys have great ideas and great t-shirt designs, but where some of you fall short is your presentation. Sometimes your website, your social media posts, they look a little unprofessional. Now, guys, if you manage to get someone to your website or to your social media, you only have between 5 to 10 seconds to hook them. Okay. So you want some really nice images. If not, they're going to click off. They're going to go somewhere else and see what the other guy's offering. And just like a relationship, it's the little things. It's the little things like a really nice, beautiful image, a nice model. It's that little thing that gets people hooked and they say, what's going on over here? I know a lot of us think that we can do it ourselves, okay, because it's not that simple. It's all about the camera, in many cases, your smartphone, and it's all about the models, right? In many cases, your friends. And so what happens, you know, we shoot it ourselves, we use our friends, and at the end of the day, it just doesn't cut it. And I get it, you know, you did it, you think it's great, all right? Sometimes it is, and in many cases, it's not. You see, when we do stuff ourselves, all right, we mean well, and because we put our like heart and soul into it, sometimes we suffer for something called illusory superiority, all right? That's when our mind, all right, pretty much is delusional, okay? It tells us that what we did looks a lot better than what it actually looks like, all right? In many cases later on, when you go and you look back and you say, damn, that sucks. But at the time, it looks great. And because it's mental, you just don't get it. And a lot of times when somebody, you know, our friends, you know, and our family, they're pretty much, you know, they're just being nice. They just want to support you. Yeah, it looks great. And you're wondering, damn, why am I not getting sales? Well, in many cases, because stuff just doesn't look that good. And if someone does tell you it doesn't look that good, in many cases, we kind of take it personal and we think that the person is hating. And they may be hating, but your stuff could also look bad. So I'm going to give you the secret to shooting beautiful pictures and getting great models. All right. This is the secret. Okay. Don't tell anybody. Okay. You ready? You don't. That's right. You don't shoot it yourself. You don't hire models. Okay. Unless you are a professional photographer, which most of us are not. I'm talking about a real live person who's studied and did all this stuff. And unless you're using real models, or at least people that have like a lot of followers on Instagram, it's not going to cut it. What you want to do is you want to use some professional templates. Let me show you.
Now, this right here is the T-Shirter 2 theme. You can see all these beautiful images. Look at how awesome this is. No photographers, no models. I had to call and pay. It's so simple. I created all of these images in about 10 minutes, okay, as long as you have your artwork ready. All right, and it also works because, once again, the theme, the T-shirt or two Shopify theme, which is available now, link in the description box. But let me show you how I made this stuff. All right, so this is the back end of my Placeit account, and if you look, these are going to look awfully familiar. These are all the images that I use for my T-shirt theme, and I did them all in like 10 minutes. Okay, let me show you how you do it. Okay, let's go down here, let's click on T-shirts, and it's right here, all the images that you need. Kids, young kids, just the apparel alone, older people. They also have different ethnicities. All right, like this is put in Asian, now I put in black, and then I put in Latino, I put in white. All right, they have Indian. I mean, it's amazing. Different ethnicities, ages, groups. I mean, they even have LGBT. You name it, they have you covered. You can start any kind of T-shirt business in minutes.
And the great thing that is not just stuff for your website and social media. There's so much other stuff. Check it out.
Also, if you wanted to show stuff for your Instagram, your Facebook, your Instagram stories, you want to show sales and all that good stuff, they have everything. They even have artwork too. It's amazing. Placeit has you covered, okay? Oh, and this just in, if you go down to that link in the description box, it's 30% off, all right? You can get 30% off the monthly, or you can do annual 30% off and get all this stuff to make your site look hot. So Placeit, 30% off, link down in the description. Now back to me talking.
So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something, okay? The links for all that stuff is going to be down in the description box. Guys, this stuff is a lifesaver. And, you know, the little thing like having nice, beautiful images, it makes such a big difference in your presentation and your website. I mean, it's like night and day. So check that stuff out. But guys, look at ya. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Start a T-shirt business or die trying. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have someone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. Cheers to your T-shirts. I am out. Peace. A place where we cover all things T-shirt related. Woo! Hope that ain't the Rona.
Shirt man, yeah, that's me.